Okay. So good afternoon, all of you. So today we'll continue the national park from there where we have stopped in yesterday. So usually yesterday we have discussed what is national park and the most prominent national parks in our India. Is it yes or no? So in that around the 10 national parks which I have told you, in that one is Karbat National Park which is located in Uttarakhand. Next one is Kanha National Park which is located in Madhya Pradesh. Next, Ranthambore National Park which is located in Rajasthan. Gir National Park, Gujarat. Kaziranga
Kaziranga.
in Assam, Sundarbans National Park in West Bengal. Next, Bandipur National
Bandipur.
Park in Karnataka. Next, Dachigam National Park in Jammu and Kashmir, and Sarishka National Park in Rajasthan. And last one, which we have studied, which is located in Panchmaki Biosphere Reserve. That park is named called as what? Satpura
Satpura
National Park.
National Park.
So, we will discuss in detail about one of the national park called as Satpura National Park, and last we'll study the difference between wildlife sanctuary and as well as national park, and later we'll go to the another concept. Understand? So, let us comes to here. Let us discuss Satpura National Park in detail. We'll discuss. So that is what our today's concept. You may observe here. So what is Satpura National Park? What is the specialty of it? So that is our in detail we'll study. Is it okay, Ra?
The speciality you said in last class, sir.
I have taken only 2 points. Correct. It is continuing. It
Yes,
is
sir.
not ending. Understand, Ra? So that is.
Yes,
So
sir.
this comes to here. Understand? So Satpura National Park, which is located in where? Which is located in Madhya Pradesh, is the
Madhya Pradesh.
forest reserve.
Kanha.
Understanding, first forest reserve of India. That is what you should note it down. It is located
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh, sir.
in MP, and first
Forest.
forest reserve. Forest India. Do you understanding that? That is the first.
Yes, sir.
The next, if it comes to here, as I have already told you in yesterday's class, the finest Indian teak is found in this where? In this Satpura National
Satpura National Park.
So the finest Indian teak is found in this forest. That is the second point. The
Sir, this is national park only now, sir. You are saying it as forest.
what?
Sir, it is national park only now, sir. You are saying that forest.
Forest means it is
Forest or national
that
park,
is
sir.
what, understanding. It is actually we used to call it as a biosphere reserve. Do you understand? It is a Indian reserve forest. Understand? Which looks like a park. It is can make it as a park. Understand, Johan?
Okay, sir, sir.
It is the first. It is the first forest reserve of India. So in that only we have developed a park. Do you understanding?
Okay. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
That is what you should remember. So the forest itself made it as a national park. Understand?
Okay, sir.
So that is why we can say the finest Indian teak is found in this forest only. The finest Indian teak means the best quality of teak. The finest Indian teak is found in this forest. Found in this forest. Do you understand? Next.
Yes, sir.
As well as this national park or else this forest contains what? Rock caves, correct or not? We used to call
Yes,
that
sir, yes, sir.
rock shelters. Understand? So rock shelters which we used to found inside this Satpura National Park. So these rock shelters are the evidence of what? Evidence of prehistoric human life in these jungles. How
Yes,
old man's understanding, old man's in the sense of the understanding our ancestors or our old people, how
Ancient.
what is the lifestyle of them and how they used to live, what is their food habits, that is all we can. These are the evidence or proof. Yes, these people are existed like this. These are the lifestyle of these them. So these of them. So like that we can get and we will learn so many things from them. Understanding the way of living, culture, traditions and all. So that is what you can say. The objects of historic importance called as what we should call them? Rock shelters. Rock shelters are found inside the Satpura National Park. Rock shelters. What is that called as?
Rock shelter.
Shelters. Rock shelters, which will represent what? Which is for
Ancient human beings.
understanding ancient humans, understanding which are lived in that region. That is what you can write. Ancient means prehistoric humans. What we can call prehistoric humans. Understanding evidence of prehistoric humans. Understand human life in these jungles. Right. Evidence of prehistoric human life in these jungles. Jungles means also forest only. Understand, Johan? Chaitanya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Comes to here. Understand? So if we'll go inside, understand, and these rock shelters we used to observe. So these they will give the idea of the life of the primitive people who lived in this area very long ago. That is what we can say. Evidence of prehistoric human. Or also we can call it as what? Primitive people. What we should call? Primitive people. Also you should learn it. Understanding. So prehistoric human, or else what we should call them? Primitive people. New what I'm saying you. So primitive means what? Primitive people. Very old people. Understanding, Ra? Long back ago, the people who are living very primitive ways means where there is no proper development. Understanding, only like raw meat there is to eat, and there is no proper cloth, hunting by that time. Do you understanding, Ra? That people are
Yes,
called
sir.
as primitive people. Maybe geography also you may get it. Correct or not? Yes or no? That is. So the rock shelters, this who is what is existed in this national Satpura National Park, they will give the life of like we will get the overall idea. If you see them, you will understand. Oh, these are the people who lived long ago here. They may be lived like this. We will get an idea by seeing them, by seeing that rock shelters itself. That is what we can say. That is why it is a evidence of prehistoric human life. So this is about the rock shelters which we used to found in this Satpura National Park. So how many are there? How many are there means a total of 55 rock shelters have been identified in this area. How many? How many? 55 shelters. Understanding? 55 rock shelters are 55 rock shelters are identified. Do you understanding, Ra? Identified in this area. Understand, Johan, Shruti, any doubt? So that is about what? Satpura National Park. That is what I'm saying. If somebody will ask her, explain about one national park, you have to explain very clearly, because I know that importance of that. When I used to go for Navy interview, services selection board, SSB in Bhopal, they will give random topic and they will ask you to explain something. Understand? So by that time, suppose you may get chance, speak about the Indian National Park, then you can say, Indian national parks, these many are there, understanding, XYZ something. How many around we have? Around 80 national
80
parks. And in that, I know one of the national park which is located in, actually, I went to Bhopal only, Madhya Pradesh only. Understanding? So it is located in where? Madhya Pradesh only, correct or not? So there only about Navy I have attended. Understand? So they will ask you like a random topic. So by that time you may get chance. So Satpura National Park is located in this state only. So in this Madhya Pradesh, which is Satpura National Park. So I know about the details. So this is what the specialty of this. Here it is present like this. These are the things which will give you the primitive evidence for primitive humans. Like that you can speak. Then everybody will be surprised. Is it yes or no? So that is instantly. We must have knowledge, aware of every state and specialties in India, because future is running very fast. We have to be much advanced compared to others. Then only we will get a job or any something. So that is what we must have awareness of our society, and as well as it is a very important to learn also. This is under biology, which will come in general awareness as well as in future exams. Everywhere it will come. That is what you should remember. So totally, how many rock shelters are there? Totally, how many? 55 rock shelters have been identified in this area, and rock paintings are found in these rock shelters. What we can find? Rock paintings. Do you understand, like how we are doing now? Wall paintings. Do you know that? Like that.
Yes, sir.
In that primitive age only, remember, in that understanding prehistoric age itself, we used to found the rock paintings. Rock
Painting.
paintings.
Painting.
Rock paintings will find in these rock shelters. In these rock shelters. Do you understand, Ra? so that we can better understand the way of living. Is it yes or no? If it is picture based, so that we can easily understand their lifestyle. Is it yes or no? So like that we can find this rock paintings we can find in these rock shelters. Is it okay, Ra? Yes? Yes or no? All of you. You will observe these rock paintings, understand, they will depict the figures of men and as well as animals and fighting, hunting, dancing and playing musical instruments. These are all the things we can observe in these rock paintings. They will depict, this is the word I am using here, understand, rock painting depicts, rock painting depicts. What is the meaning of depicts? Depicts, can anybody say represents, understanding? Depicts means which will give idea, understanding, Ra? That is what depict, understanding, Ra? Depict.
Yes,
Depict of men, note it down. Depict of men means by the time how the men are there, that is what it will represent. Men means women and men both. Depict, new word, vocabulary you should use. Rock painting, depict the men, understanding, animals, fighting, hunting, understand, Ra? Hunting, understand, fighting, hunting and dancing and playing musical instruments. Dancing, fighting, hunting, dancing and playing musical instruments. Instruments are present by that time, correct or not? It is not now it has been discovered or invented. Musical instruments, even from the primitive age itself, people are using musical instruments for their relaxation. So this is all we can learn, how they are living and all we can learn from this understanding. Rock paintings, they will describe this, all the things. By observing them, we can learn these many things from the rock paintings. So this is all about these rock shelters and the rock paintings. And if you'll observe, these rock shelters and rock paintings are one of the major tourist attractions of Satpura National Park. Do you understanding, all of you? One of the major attraction. That is what you should observe here. Understanding, Ra? So in Satpura National Park, what is the major attraction of tourist, Ra? Major attraction of tourist is, understanding, this rock shelters and rock painting. Do you understand, Shruti?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what you should understand. So in Satpura, you can go in future. If you want, you can visit after this Corona period. Understand? So very, very wonderful pictures. If you want, you can Google, we can browse and I will show you how these rock paintings are present. Understanding? So that is why we can say these rock shelters and rock paintings are one of the major, understanding, tourist attractions of Satpura National Park. And if you'll observe regarding this old primitive humans and all, understand, prehistoric humans. Now, if we'll consider the animals, understand. So in this Satpura National Park, it has a very large species of wild animals in it. So let us discuss some of the wild animals which is found in understanding Satpura National Park is, first one we used to call as tiger. What we should call? Tiger. Next one is gar, G-U-R, and animals, wild animals, understanding, what different wild animals we can find. So in that we can find as, understanding, first one is what? Tigers, very, very big tigers we can find. Next one we can call as
Bengal tigers.
What, Ra? Gar.
Bengal tigers.
What, Ra?
Bengal tigers also are there.
Bengal tigers not. This is Bengal tigers in Sundarban National Park. Okay, this is like normal tigers. Tigers are found in one of the specialty. Okay, Ra?
Okay, sir.
Basically, we can find tigers in this national park. And gar we can find. Gar means Indian bison. What is it called?
Indian bison.
Gar, Indian bison. Bison means last time I have shown you. Have you remembered?
Sir, America, like Yorkshire.
Like, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Indian bisons we can call. G-A-U-R, gar. You can note it down. I will show you the pictures of everything. G-A-U-R, gar. Understanding that? G-A-U-R, gar. And also we can find like a multiple of animals, like for example, if you take, understanding, leopards we can find, and Indian gained squirrels. What we can call? Leopards. Indian gained squirrel. Indian gained. Gained means what? Very big. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Indian gained squirrels. Understanding? So these are all the animals we can find, and as well as we can find sambar, not Tamil Nadu sambar. It's an animal name. Sambar, sloth bear, cheetal, barking deers, wild boar. Understanding? And rhesus monkeys and langur. Next, nilgai, hyena, wild dog. Like the different. See how many I am saying. Next, Mars crocodiles are found, and four-horned antelope. Four-horned antelope. Do you know four-horned antelopes?
Yes, sir.
Seen four-horned antelopes anytime?
No, sir.
I will show you. Wait. Four-horned antelopes. Four-hand antelopes. Antelopes. Four-hand antelopes. So let us discuss. Can I show you all the animals? Do you want? Are you interesting? Because it is good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we will discuss. Four-hand antelopes. Note it down. The animals which is found in. Actually, this is coming some alcohol, right? Just wait. I will make it. Understand? So, just understanding. Four-hand antelopes. Write it. I will say the names first. Later, I will say antelope. Write the names. Antelopes. Right, you can write. I will show you the image. Actually, it is wrong spelling so that it became something. Okay. So like a deer. Do you know deer? Deer, you know, correct? That is somehow related.
Yes, sir.
So this is what we used to call as four-hand. Understanding? Four-hand antelope. This is called as four-hand antelope. Okay, da? Observe carefully.
Okay.
This is what you may observe. This is okay, da? So this is one of the animal which is found in where? Found in
Satpura National Park.
National Park. Like that, every animal I will show you. You people note down the names. Okay, da? So now, first one what I said, tiger I said. Next one, gar. Gar means what? Indian bison. Correct or not? What is it called? Indian
Bison.
Indian bison. Indian bison. So, Indian bison you can learn. So, this is what the Indian bison. All of you. So, first animal have you noted down? Four-hand. This is called as Indian bison.
Four and antelope.
Bahubali. Bahubali, have you seen? Bahubali. Indian.
Yes, sir.
This is called as Indian bison. Okay, this is like a buffalo. Correct or not?
It has cousins and all, sir.
Indian bison we used to call it as. Next, Indian gained squirrel. Indian gained squirrel. Next, leopard. Leopard usage is known. Leopard you already know, correct? Leopard
Yes,
you
sir.
already know. So leopard you people already seen. Leopard. This is called as leopard. Next, cheetal. Cheetal. Understanding? Cheetal. So this is called as cheetal. This is called as cheetal. Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
I have already shown you correct cheetal. Next, Indian gained squirrel. Indian gained squirrel. Note it down because I am changing. Indian gained squirrel. Indian gained squirrel. Already I have shown you a few animals, correct? Which is present in biosphere. What is that? Panchmarhi biosphere.
Panchmarhi.
Correct or not? Indian
Yes,
gained
sir.
squirrel. Next, sambar. Sambar. Not Tamil Nadu sambar. Understand, Ray? Sambar.
Sir.
No, sambar means sambar only coming, right? I expected this one. Understand, Ray? Correct, Ra? You also expected, huh?
Sambar animal, if you put it, will come, sir.
Sambar animal. Understanding? I expected, but we used to call it as sambar. This is called as sambar animal. Okay, Ra? Name is very
Okay,
funny.
sir.
I expected sambar means sambar will come. Okay. Sambar. Next. Sloth bear. Sloth bear. That is the most important. SLOTH. Sloth bear. You can see. Sloth bear. This is called as sloth bear. Okay, Ra?
Okay, sir. It is like monkey, sir.
Yeah. Sloth bear. Next, barking deer. Barking deer already I have shown you Panchmarhi, correct? Panchmarhi
Okay.
biosphere. Barking deer. I have shown you or not?
No, sir.
No. Okay. This is the barking deer, which will bark like a sound. Oh, like that. Which will see the sky and it will like a dog. It will bark. This is called as barking deer. Okay, Ra?
Okay, sir.
Next, like you can see, wild boar. What is the meaning of this one? Wild boar. We can call it as wild boar. This is called as wild boar. Wild boar. Note it down, Shruti. Pig ray. Wild boar means pig. Forest pig. Understanding?
Okay, sir.
This is very dangerous. It will very hunting also. Understanding? Wild pig only called as what we should call?
Wild boar.
Understanding? Next, rhesus monkey. The rhesus monkey. Rhesus monkey. Rhesus. Rhesus. R-E-H-E-S. Sorry. R-E-H-E-S. Rhesus monkey. Maybe wrong. You can note it. R-H-E-S-S. Rhesus monkeys. This is R-H-E-S-S. Rhesus monkeys. Note it down.
Sir, they are
Rhesus.
in everywhere the countries, sir.
Next. This is
Yes,
some
sir. Here also it is, sir.
Yeah.
Now
Next.
also I'm seeing.
nilgai. Next, langur and nilgai. Langur. Langur. This is called as langur. Langur. Black mouth. Understand that? This is one type of
Sir,
monkey.
it is in
Monkey, sir.
Andhra, sir. I saw.
What?
In Andhra, I saw this one.
Andhra it is there. I know that. Andhra somewhere
I
it is.
think it is now extent, sir, in Andhra.
Good extent. Near Kurnool it is there. Next, nilgai. In this so many extent, we will study next concept is that only. Nilgai. 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 This is called as nilgai. Only in movies only we will watch this. Nowadays it is almost extended. Understand, Ra? That is.
Okay, sir.
This is little bit bigger than the deer. Understand? Nilgai. Like a bull it is. Have you seen? Bull. Next, hyena. Hyena is almost extended, Ra. Almost extended. Endangered species. This is called as hyena. Very dangerous. Like wolf. Wolf it is.
Yes,
Hyena.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I have seen it in Lion King movie, sir.
Yes, sir. Lion King.
Have you noted down or not? Hyena.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, spellings H-Y-E-N-A, hyena. Next, wild dogs. Wild dogs. What is that?
Wild dog.
This is all we can see in the. This is called as wild dog. Hyena and wild dog. Have you seen the difference?
Yes, sir.
Difference. Wild dog and hyena. Yes or no? See, this is wild hyena. Understanding? This is what hyena. Understanding? Having hair and all something different. And this is called as what?
Wild dog.
Wild.
Wild dog.
Understanding? Wild dog. Shruti, are you noted down? Next. Porcupine. P-O-R-C-U-P-I-N-E. Porcupine. P-O-R-C-U-P-I-N-E. Porcupine. This is also one of the animal which used to live. This is you people know in Hollywood movies. If you
Yes, sir.
understand, like a squirrel it is, like a squirrel. We can able to see so many in this Satpura National Park, where it is actually used to protect. It will protect from other animals. This is what very sharp, like a thorns it is. Understand, Ra? Porcupines.
Yes, yes, yes.
Understanding? Porcupines means porking, like our pork, you know, which we'll use to eat. Pork.
Yes, sir. Pork.
Porcupines. Understanding, Ra? Porcupines, and as well as Mars crocodile. Mars crocodile. What is that?
Mars crocodile.
Mars crocodile, I have already shown you, long beak. Mars
Okay.
crocodile. Understanding, Ra? Which is used to find in that Panchmarki Biosphere Reserve. Mars crocodiles, very big. This is called as Mars crocodiles. Understanding, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And last one is what? 400?
Antelope.
Huh? 400
Antelope.
Antelope. Understanding? This is what, like a deer. Understanding? These are the animals which used to live. This is you can perfectly see. This is called as understanding horned antelope. Means how many horns are there? How many horns it has?
Four.
4 hands. That is what it is called as 4 horns antelope. Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is already
Yes, sir.
extinct animals. You see here, extinct animals. It is already. It is very rare. Very rarely only we can see. But if you go to Satpura National Park, we can able to see them. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes or no? Note it down or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Have you noted down?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Noted, sir.
So this is all the animals which we can able to see in this and understanding. So if it comes to the tiger is one of the main wildlife species, understanding, which are slowly disappearing from our forest. Is it yes or no? The count
Sir,
is
if
Yes, sir.
tiger has gone, which will be the national animal,
day
sir?
by day, our count is decreasing much and much and much. Understand? So that is why you remember there is a Satpura Tiger Reserve in the Satpura National Park, which is a part of Project Tiger. What we can say? It is a part of what? Part of Project
Project.
Because tigers are going to extend day by day, understanding? So very, very less tigers we have. So in that Satpura National Park also contains tiger reserves, understanding? Tiger reserves means what? Particular area in that small part is only belongs to tiger protection. Understand, Ra? That is what we can say. Understand? So there is a Satpura Tiger Reserve in the Satpura National Park, which is a part of Project Tiger. Understanding? What is this called as?
Sir, in India there are only 3,000 tigers, sir.
Now it is even reduced. Satpura Tiger Reserve. Tiger Reserve. Tiger Reserve, which is a part of what? To protect. Part of protect what? Protect Tiger. Project Tigers. Understanding? Part of Project Tigers. So Project Tiger is a what? Is a protection of tigers. Understanding, Ra? Like a project, like a scheme, like a government scheme. Project Tiger is one of the things. So that is what the specialty of the Satpura National Park. Do you understanding, all of you? Yes. So. Project Tiger is what is the Project Tiger? Sir, you are saying that Satpura Tiger Reserve is a part of Project Tiger. What is this Project Tiger means? Understanding? This is the wildlife conservation project which was launched by the government of India in 1972 to protect the tigers in the country. Do you understanding, Ra? Project Tiger. Here you learned one law which has been bought by the protection of tigers in which year? 1972. So that is only name as what? What we should call
Project
it?
Tiger.
Project Tiger. Understanding? That is what you can understand here. It is a law which has been bought by our Indian government to protect the tigers in the 1972. Write it. Project Tiger is a wildlife conservation project. Project Tiger is a wildlife conservation project. It is a general knowledge. Are you getting general knowledge or not now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wildlife conservation project which has been bought by our Indian understanding, our Indian government in 1975. In which year? In 1970. In 1972. In 1972 to protect what? To protect Indian tigers. Indian tigers. To protect Indian tigers. Understand, Ra?
The tiger is in only India or other state also, sir.
Everywhere, Johan. But the tigers which are present in our country, it is different from other countries. Understand? It is not all the tigers are same. All the tigers may hunt, but definitely their body size, weight. Suppose you see, Bengal tiger is the world's largest tiger. More than 6 feet it will be. Do you understand?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Even punch. The claw capacity of the Bengal tiger is very, very like a 1 ton will hit you like that. It will be power of the Bengal tiger is too much of high. Understand? That is.
Yes, sir.
So all the tigers everywhere, every country is having tigers, but all the tigers is not having similar. Suppose you see, everywhere humans are there. Is it all the humans are same? State to
No,
state
sir.
varying, correct or not? Characteristics and behavior and all. Then country to country much variation, correct? That is what you should remember. Okay. So to protect the tigers in the country are Indian tigers. You can Indian tigers. Protect in the country are Indian tigers. That is what you can remember. Is it okay? Shruti, Chaitanya? Understand, Ra? So, what is the main objective of this project means only to ensure the survival and maintenance of tiger population in specially specially constituted tiger reserves throughout the India. That is the main motto of that one. Only they will make a special reserve, a tiger reserves in throughout the India. So in that area, they will give the tiger population, maintaining the tiger population, and they will ensure that they will survive in that. The tigers can survive in that region, and they can go with their population, like babies and all. They can happily get it, and they can survive easily. Like that, we can create an environment that is only called as tiger reserves of India. So throughout the India, they have made these tiger reserves. to develop the tigers. Do you understand, Igra? To maintain and to protect the tigers because they are going to extend very fast. That is why. So that is why if you observe in our India present, we have 28 tiger reserves. Do you understand, Igra? 28 tiger reserves, which is governed by Project Tiger. Do you understand? That is what most important. How many tiger reserves are there? 28. Understanding? 28 tiger reserves. Tiger reserves governed by. Governed means what? Maintained. Governed by whom? Project Tiger.
Governed by government.
Project Tiger. Do you understand, Igra? All of you? So this is the separate,
sir.
separate department which will only understanding conserve the tigers, and they will make tigers to survive, and they will help them to maintain their population, tiger population. That's all. Understand? So 28 tiger reserves in India at present we have. So under this tiger project only, understanding the significance and the significant increases in the population of tigers has been seen in the Satpura Tiger Reservoir, Satpura National Park. So in the Satpura National Park also, this Project Tiger is only they are taking care of regarding this all the tiger reserve. Do you understand, Igra? So that is what we used to call as Tiger Reservoir, which is a speciality. One of the tiger reserve in India is located in the Satpura National Park, which has been maintained by, understanding, governed by Project India. Do you understand, Igra? Project Tiger. Sorry, Project Tiger. Understand, Ra? Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Next.
So there is a lion called like Asiatic lion. That is only in Gujarat, sir.
What am I?
Asiatic lion that is like extinct, sir.
Asiatic lions. So many types of lions already extant. Suppose you know the white tiger. Do you know white tigers? Tigers are even white.
Yes, sir.
Present.
Yes, sir. White tiger.
Extended. I think 1 or 2 are there in throughout the world, not even in India. That is what the thing.
True.
Almost endangered there. That is what we'll study in next class. Endangered and extended species both. That is what. Now this is about the tigers. So that to conserve and to preserve the tigers, we have a tiger reserves, and it has been governed by Project Tiger of India. Correct or not? Yes or no? So like that, if you observe, once upon a time, if you see, the wild animals such as lions, elephants, wild buffaloes, understanding, and like example called as Barasinga. Barasinga. Do you know Barasingas? Barasinga.
No, no.
Like a deer, one of the type of deer, Barasingas. I will show you. You can look into that. Barasingas. So many lions, wildlife, wild buffaloes. So many, even buffaloes also nowadays I am not seeing. Count is decreasing. Barasingas you can see. Barasinga is like a deer, which is like, see how many types of deers we have. This is called as Barasingas.
Sir, mostly deers only.
Barasingas. Do you know that in Tirumala? In Tirumala also, Lord Tirumala, we have a park. Understanding? Tirumala Tirupati Park, National Park. Understanding? In that also we can see this. This is called as Barasinga. Like a tree, it is there. Have you noticed it? This is called as Barasinga. Understand, Ra?
Okay.
Okay. So these animals nowadays not there. They are completely disappear. Understanding? Almost very rarely present. Suppose if you take wild buffalo, like normal buffalo only. Understanding? So if you take these wild buffaloes, everything there, understanding, all these wild animals have vanished from this area due to what? Only one thing. Because of illegal activities of the people living, understanding, in the nearby areas. That's all. That is the only reason presented. Understand? So all the lions, elephants, wild buffaloes, everything, these Barasings were also found in this Satpura National Park. But now these are going to extend. Almost they are vanished. Because of why? Because of the people, those who are living in these regions, understanding, in that near that Satpura National Park or the Satpura Forest. So because of their illegal activities, they have almost vanished nowadays. Understanding? Have you seen the wild buffalo anytime? Very you can see that wild buffalo is very strong, and it looks like our normal buffaloes only. Do you understand, Ra? It looks like our normal buffaloes only. I will show you. Wait. This is called as wild buffaloes. Wild buffalo, correct? Ra? Here you can see. This is called as wild buffalo. What we should call? Have you seen?
Wild buffalo.
Yeah. very
Yes, sir.
and it looks very I can say naughty also. Once they will start hitting, we people even die in a single shot. A very strong animal, one of the strong animals. This is called as, understanding, wild buffaloes. You can see here. Even our buffaloes, even when I'm a kid, I used to also, our home also we have a buffaloes. Buffaloes will be like this only. It is a wild buffalo, but normal buffaloes also will be similar to this. Have you noticed it? Have you seen the normal buffaloes?
No, sir.
No. Batra.
No, sir.
You are not seeing the buffaloes till really.
Sir, only one time, sir.
So many buffaloes, correct, Ray?
Yeah, in Andhra, everywhere we see only buffaloes.
Everywhere we can see Johan and so Shruti, you have not at all seen the buffalo yet?
No, sir.
Oh, it is very bad. It is. At least cow? Cow at least.
Yes, sir. Cow. Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, buffaloes not seen means it is very, very. Oh, you are unlucky people here. Buffalo is even more stronger than buffalo milk is more stronger than cow milk. Understand? So, because of this illegal activities of the people, those who are living in this region, this all the animals now disappear. This Barasingh and Barasingha, wild buffaloes, even so many elephants, everything because. Understand? Because these people will they will kill that animals, they will hunt it, or else they will export. Suppose elephants if will take that the teeth is very costly. Lion if will take the skin is like something. So because of this illegal activities, they have almost this all the animals has vanished because of our human activities only. Understand, Ra? And you can
Yes,
see
sir.
even it is a pity that even the protected forest reserves are not safe because people living in that neighborhood, understanding, they will encroach upon them and destroy them and the wildlife present in them, understanding, to make some quick money. That is what the main thing, because these all are endangered species, correct or not? So the people, even national parks also you see, even it is protected by security, government of India, everything. Then also these illegal fellows, understanding, these stupid fellows, those who are living in this neighborhood, we can call them as what? Neighborhood regions, to earn the more money, like one night stars, understanding, to become a, understanding, like a crorepati by night. These people, they will kill them and they will destroy them. They will encroach upon them. Encroach. What is the meaning of encroach? Encroach. E-N-C-R-O-A-C-H. Encroach. What is the meaning of encroach? Encroach means attacking, like understanding, going and catching them. Encroach and destroy. Do you understanding, Ra? New word.
You're going to their place and catching them.
Yeah, encroach upon them and destroy them means trying to hunt them and they will catch and they will destroy them and they will understanding. So the wildlife present in them to make some quick money. That is the main reason. So with this we can make some understand, because they are very illegal and very rare animals. So if you'll kill them and if you'll export them to the other countries, like red sandal, how we are exporting to the China, millions of lakhs they are earning, crores of money they are earning, because of red sandal is very rare tree which is found in only our Chittoor district in Andhra Pradesh, but very much demand in China and other countries. So we are exporting illegally we are exporting. China is present very far, understanding, but South India is Chittoor is present in South India, very close to our 400 kilometers from Pudukkottai. But see, these many kilometers it has been exported, understanding, without the help of government people. Will you accept it? With the help of people only,
Okay.
correct or not? Illegal people only it has been exported, means everywhere. See, it has not been